Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well, in good health and enjoying your Monday so far. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY wall art inspired by my favorite US home decor store, Z Gallerie. Obviously, I'm using my own colors, trying to mix the right shade, but you can do this technique and you can use your own colors of whatever they may be. Go get yourself a cozy drink and enjoy the rest of this video. If you are mixing certain colors to create a tone that you need or hue that you need, don't forget to mix plenty, more than you would need, because once you have the perfect tone, it is so difficult to match that if it's not enough. My canvas is from Hobbycraft. I really love the texture and I really love the quality as well, and it's a box canvas and I will be painting the sides first. I always cover the sides first because with the box canvas it's really important to match the sides to the main painting, and I will be going backwards and forwards as the tone of the color changes. I'm applying the brush strokes horizontally because I will be hanging this one on top of my bed, so it needs to hang as a landscape. Either Wednesday or Thursday I will be uploading my bedroom decorate with me video, so don't forget to hit the notification bell if you're already part of my family, or please do subscribe if you like this sort of content. There's no right way or wrong way applying color. It's your art, it's your rules. Just enjoy yourself. I certainly was enjoying myself on that Sunday when the weather was warm enough for me to be outside and it wasn't raining. It is definitely a perfect way of de-stressing at weekends. If you always wanted to do your own art but never attempted because you don't have any confidence, I encourage you to go to Dollar Tree or Poundland, get yourself some supplies, cheaply, canvas, and have a go. If you don't like it, bin it or give it to someone who would enjoy. It's the process that counts. It is so therapeutic and I promise you, you will definitely get better in time. For the middle part, I will be using white acrylic paint, but I'm going to use the same brush without cleaning it. This method is perfect if you want to create a lighter tone in your art. I will be going backwards and forwards until I'm happy, especially on the joints. Go backwards and forwards until you are 100% happy with your blending. If you are someone who is looking for ideas to make your home more beautiful on a budget, you're definitely in the right place. My name is Shule and I love to share inspirational home decor videos and high-end DIYs. So in today's video, if you like what you see, please do subscribe for more home decor inspiration to take your home on a next level. I'm constantly taking care of the sides, and as the color changes, I'm blending the sides. I'm adding final touches. Sometimes I don't know when to stop if I'm enjoying myself. That's what's happening here. I'm really happy with this blending, and now I'm going to use my original darkest tone to create my icicles.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Go backwards and forwards. Apply some of the icicles long and some of them short. Some of them have loads of paint, so it's darker, and some of them have less paint, so it's lighter.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
I'm really happy how it turned out, all my icicles, and I can still see lines where it met, and I think I'm going to go ahead and do one more time, especially on top. I can see a straight line. I don't know if you can see as well, so I'm going to do the same thing one more time. All done. Very happy with the result, and now let the fun part begin.
We don't need no more.
These are the items that I will be using. Generous amount of Mod Podge, crushed glass from eBay, and this one is from AliExpress, and it's a purple glitter mix with different shades of pinks and purples. And I have white and silver glitter from Hobbycraft, and this one is from Poundland probably.
No more.
Apply generous amount of Mod Podge or any glue that you can find, as the glass is very heavy, so you need plenty of adhesive. I'm using my sponge and trying to create icicles as well, because that is the effect Z Gallerie uses, and that's the effect that I'm trying to create.
So you were saying, oh no,
I recommend sprinkling the heaviest ones first, so crushed glass first, and then chunkiest glitter to finest glitter. So that's what I do.
I'm sure everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Pattern it gently, definitely recommend it, as it is very chunky and you don't want it to stay on surface. You really want it to adhere to the canvas. And now I'm adding more fun stuff, starting with the chunkiest glitter first.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times.
I'm now sprinkling my favorite purple mix from AliExpress, and obviously you can use whatever color you want, whatever color you might have, your rules, your artwork. So definitely have a go and create your own rules, own colors to go with your home.
Goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I'm just going to press it down lightly. If you want, you can use a paper on top first. When you are doing that, I was outside, didn't care if it fell or messed up my hand, so I just gently pressed and waited for several hours, overnight actually, until it's dry. This is the next day in the living room. It's raining, so I had to do it in my living room. And I just put it in a black bin bag to shake it off, but it's still some of the particles managed to escape from the bag. Especially if you have small children, you have to make sure that you hoover afterwards, because at the end of the day this is crushed glass and you don't want any accidents.
I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
Oh, I really love how it turned out. It's so beautiful. Definitely the camera is not doing the justice. Don't forget to come back to see how I will be using and how I decorate my bedroom for fall. I will be cleaning all the glitter dust using sticky tape probably before I hang it, and I really love the purple ones, but majority of the purple ones actually fell, so I might go over Mod Podge again one more time and sprinkle purple ones again. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you would have a go yourself. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to have a go, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.